Alright. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah. I don't really do live, you know, unless something come up will affect me. Yeah, cause live on a really my thing. So it's when somebody see me come on live, I must something with the my mind affect me, I have come talk about. My daughter, father, no, wife. Go on no, not Facebook. Go on WhatsApp and go take down my picture. And I go send it round, but my dear father don't know a good woman. What she mean by him don't know a good woman? She right in a car, guess what? Him don't know how to differentiate between a man and a woman because she is not a woman, she is a man. Plus, me I tell you, say, me and the man left from devil was a boy. Me and the man there when me are 17, me a big woman now. So me don't know what she talk about. She married the man. She don't know how to control the man and she have problem with me. And a man always gonna cheat on you, you don't have a woman body. You have an ugly face and you have him shave in the bathroom a man in time. Like the two of you know a man. So that's why you always have a problem with him. Him not stop cheating. Him not stop cheating, so you have to divorce him. Him not gonna stop cheating because he's a perfect man. Me not trouble you and she him. Jack Queen, me never trouble you. Alright, see me again. On the internet I give problem people. Yeah. But coming on the internet on me yard, you know. Around and my cousin me I go call my internet not working. Yeah, back to the story again. The woman married the man. Me and the man left from all long, from my daughter 1. My daughter 17-year-old now. This woman I got have problem. No, oh me for that foreign. I met girl in Jamaica hurt up my head. And me married to the man. And me a wife and I could never make baby mother worry me. But you know what, the baby mother have to worry me because the baby mother look. Yeah, back again. The woman come to Jamaica. You see, when the woman come to Jamaica and the woman see me, the woman have to wonder for me come from foreigner or she. She there with the man and I had a pick her skin thin through me. And me and the man left. Me don't want the man in her. Because first of all, if me didn't want the man, you would have the man. Ask the man, can we tell you? You married the man, he's a wife. No, he's not a wife, he's a she him. Come see him take picture and him look chrome and cool like a... Yeah, and you just stand upside of the man, so like a yeah, the man. Eh? You do 100 surgery, you do teeth surgery, you do this surgery, you do that the surgery. No matter how much surgery you do, you can't be a woman. And what? Now blame me now, blame your mama. Because a she bring a she him come here. Right? But me, you know me not wrong ya? Me not wrong you from insecure. Guess why me not wrong you from insecure? Because through the chrome cool nice boy I want you. And nobody else never want you. So that's why you have insecure. But don't insecure with me. Because me not want him. You know why I don't want him from him there with you? Because me not used to man will take woman purse when me not sure if you're a man or raise a woman. Jack Queen, me never trouble you. Jack Queen, I didn't trouble you. You come to Jamaica, I see you. I see a whole heap of fault and complication them, and never make it be a problem to me. You know why never be a problem to me? Because me and the man don't there, me and the man have nothing. I say, alright, you come look for my daughter, me not trouble you. But you come step in a honestness, you go take down my picture and go send about man no good woman. What you mean by no good woman? I differentiate, him can't differentiate between a man and a woman. Yeah? Don't take down my picture and run with it. Do not take my picture and run with it. Because no be a mother couldn't give me headache and me a wife. Plus, me and the man left 51 years. Almost 110 years. When me and the man there, me a pitney was my first man. Me no know nothing about road yet. I just a rock out. Now compare me with you because me know how to get and keep my man them. So don't compare me with you. But the man I got cheat. Because when you take off your clothes, he's a perfect man him see. Him not seen a woman figure, no matter how much surgery you do. You need to just look at surgery for your face and take out the bum shavings them out of your face. For my face, I never want to make up. I come natural. For you see me. See there? My teeth them clean in my head. See it? My face look good, me as a woman. I have breasts. Breasts I have, yeah. Everything I have is a woman. Woman figure I have. Yeah, I'm all woman. Now I have no problem with you come talk about. Him not know a good woman. Me are the best him ever have. There's no upgrade from me. So if you never understand, you understand now. Ask your man. Are you wise? Me could be wife and stress out myself. Say I'm mad. No, side chick could not pick me. First, me the side chick and me a man no there. Me no side chick first chick that no chick at all in your man life. Your man and me all the talk when mountain come, when if you send my daughter money come. And guess what? I have to do it. Me not ask if but or maybe or something I have to do. Because I'm first child and I love her like God. And you know it so. Right? Me not trouble you that woman? No, I lie me. I don't lie me come and never tell. She give me never trouble you. John Queen, me never trouble you. Me so set me you know. Did you ever see the she give her husband pandy? And the something I put up. Eh? Me never trouble the John Queen. So them in my house well contented. I talk to me clean nice man with that friend come. Me know say when me go look for the she my man follow me. My man say me could never look for she for love that money. Because if my man take she, me that poison him. Cause guess what? If you she can't talk now. You see you could be my mate. You could be my mate, a woman or my mate, and a man. So you could pick my skin. You could pick my skin. So I don't know what you have to pick your skin and come a woman. Yeah, ask a man when he take off my clothes and shape up my body, a woman him say. Him turn on right away, I'm go start bend over upon him and pick up. Me don't know what you are doing at the house, but you can't keep your man. Me don't know why married Jane. Me don't know because you don't have ASO. I true ASO don't go. That's the problem where you have. Me don't know what. Because you married a man and the man have walk and cheat all about. And me have problem with them not cheat with. When the man has 16 years and my picture you take down and I show you skettle friend them, your dirty friend them. Eh? We are running my picture for she him. Me not ugly. Me not look like a drag queen. Me nice looking, my black and pretty. She him, me not shave. See them and me close it up show you. Me not have no bumps, not when me a shave. Me not have no teeth problem. Me not have no surgery problem. Me not have no problem whatsoever. You're married. Stay with your husband. Now force your husband for me, love, because me no want she like that. Now force her for me. Because me no want her. I'm a good man. I'm there for 11 years. Me no want your man. Don't bring your man into this. Your man is a good man. You know, so I don't know why I'm going to take up your she him. Me don't know. Me don't know, you know. Probably you can wash, cook and clean, but the bed part is a problem. And that's why I do so much cheating. Yeah. You come. I trouble me. Sat them in our house. Then they watch me nice TV in my house. When me look at she him come send I make mistake and I say, God not like ugly. And true God not like you because you're ugly. Me don't know what your mother did that do when she birthed you. Me don't know. Me not trouble you now. You know so me not trouble you? Me see all your fault, your complication them long time. And me never trouble you. Me never trouble you. You trouble me. And you trouble me. You trouble me, me never trouble you. So please do not take down my picture and send it to nobody. Don't take down my picture and send it to nobody. Plus, me know why you like me now. Because me now walk a look like from girl. But you come and call me and talk to me like say, all is well, they behind my back, I come take down picture about Paul no know good woman. You a good woman? You's not no woman, you's a man. So all if me and a good woman, at least me is a woman. Me have woman figure, me have woman curve, me have woman everything, woman attitude. She shame, drag queen. Drag queen, me I beg you. I take them a picture and send go give nobody because you say your wife, you married the man. Me never married yet from the day me born. You're married to the man. to keep the man, me don't know go get a pussy or something. Me don't know why you can't keep the man. Cause you don't have, go get an ace, so you don't have it. Keep the man now, keep the man. You can't keep the man and you want to come through your problem. You bring your house problem come through upon me. You bring your house problem come through upon me. I love that Jamaica, me no know about your man. One time I want me know about your man, and one time I send my daughter allowance. Me don't know about you and your man problem. Now bring it to me if I'm cheap on you. Business. Right, me not trouble the shit in. Me don't trouble you. Me not trouble you now. Cause me couldn't trouble you cause you're in my league. So me couldn't trouble you. Me like me with a girl. You see my man when him give me him give me to keep me on my toes. You see you could keep me sitting down cause me not worry about you. Plus you could be my mate. Cause my man never gonna look you cause you is a shame. And my man like woman. Not center, not half man and half woman. You married the man. Right, you married the man. Me that Jamaica. I don't even have a birth paper, so I could have a passport for go foreign. And you have problem with me. Eh? You say a good clean nice woman. If you're a good clean nice woman, keep the man. But you can't keep the man because you're a man. And the man like woman for when he shape out their body and turn her back when she jiggle it 2 times, he say woman, and that's why I'm always have it on him mind. All when I left him 100 times. Yeah. So I always go pick your skin. But all me I tell her she him, now take them a picture and walk and send her in a body. At 16 years, me not see a man. My daughter is 17-year-old.
Yes, I want a whole
Now take them a picture and walk and send her in a body. But him not know a good woman. Better him have a bad woman than him have a man, which is you. Me don't know who him that think about when he married you, you know. Me don't know who him that think about when he married you, me love. Yeah, and guess what? You know I'm upset? Him straight in a foreign say him never need you. But due to how you can wash and cook. But the bed party have a problem. That's why I'm going to rather not cheat. And him a cheat, go confront your mate them. Go confront your mate them. Not confront me. It's not me my cheat with. So why am I offended you want to come tear down? Or a grudge me from a pretty black face. Me don't know. Cause when me see you, you tell me about you got hairdresser. Girl, you just come from foreign. You never need to tell me say you got hairdresser. I see you see me the way you see me look good, you're shocked. You never expect to come see that. But you got hairdresser. So if you come from foreign, I come tell my husband, ex-woman say me I got hairdresser. Me if you come with my long hair flashing on my back and be something. Me come when you come here all want shave, me don't know. You look like you did forgot your shave with equipment there. Me don't know now. But if you make sure say you do a surgery and then take off that layer skin there. Take off the layer skin because you look like a man. Now have no problem with me. Me not have no problem with me, my love. Me not trouble you. Me not trouble you now. I guess I'm never trouble you. Because I look bad for you argue with a man over a man. I don't trouble you. You come tell me about me. Me and a good woman. Look at a good woman. What him the one? Actually, you're too good. And that's the problem. That's why you cannot keep him. Every day you get up and nag the man about woman. You're sad now, you have a sad life. I'm sorry for you, see, and if you go to church, go pray. Your life sad because if you go married and sad, so I'm not going to better with the marriage. Every day you get up and nag the man about woman. You come home to your husband, make your husband feel good. If you go up and back it up on, but you can't back up nothing because you're a man. And that's why you have the problem. So you see when him come in man out the road for the girl we have out there. You come in and nag the man about woman. Eh? Then you have to take down my picture. Oh me rich now on a misfortunate where do I go on with now a nasty house. When me business when I go on with now love life. When love life not concern me, the only thing concern me is him and my daughter allowance. Not them more. Now bring me down no arguments. Now draw me in and nothing about you take down my picture. Me never gonna take down your picture because your picture don't take down able. Me don't know how he married you because you're not marriageable. Him not married for green card, me don't know. He look like in the junk, you know. And through him sober up now, and that's why I get the problem. I bet. Why? I'm sorry for you, stay. I'm sorry for you, I want to cry. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for your shame, because you're not stop have problem, my love. You know, some of them are a secret. You see what me there with the man? You know some me give the whole like problem then? I swear. The way the man did have to run behind me, couldn't catch up with my speed. Me was him trophy, never have time for cheat, so I don't know. Shame? Sorry for you. I'm sorry for you do 100 surgery and you still can't come to perfection. I never do a surgery for the day me born. Thank God to Sona, oh, she birthed me perfect. She give me a perfect face and she give me a perfect ace. So she don't have no money to give me that, but she give me a good ace. So you understand? You not keep the man. You can't keep the man. I try me on a pasta. Well, shame, have a good day. But just I tell her, say, I never trouble you. And you trouble me. Did it trouble you? I never trouble your shame. You see me comfortable and you bring me. You know, so I never come on Facebook about man problem yet. And at the first me I come on Facebook and I want man with me and him not there. Eh? When me I go take down woman picture after me when me I take down woman picture for? Eh? Go about me I go send go give friend or whatever. After me not possess with no girl. And it look like you're possessed with me. Me not lesbian. No, you're wrong. You're not lesbian because you're a man. But me don't want you. Not possessed with me, my love. Because I don't want you. Sir, me don't want you. Shame, me don't want you. Don't possess with me. Stay with your husband. You should blackmail the man and make the man feel like he's a woman when he's a perfect man. And now the man find out say, use a man, use a shame, him start cheat on you. I'm sorry for your hush. But that is not my fault. So do not draw me into it. Me no respond to you and your husband. Don't draw me down the problem. Look at my face again. She may show you the last time. We never shave yet. See there? Me have woman features. Me not have nothing manable. The first surgery you should have do is a face surgery. You do every surgery, I never know, so you have yes and yes if it come off. You should have taken off them 2 parts, yeah. You teeth them, cock up one another and live loving like wife or other. Oh, you leave that friend and me look tacky and stable. Me not need friend to look good enough. Me not need friend to look good, but you never, we not friend though. Perfect lady, perfect.